Today I am going to teach you the second lesson of history, rise and spread of Islam. First, we begin with the introduction. The Arabian Peninsula is a vast desert lying between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. The warring tribes of nomadic people lived in Arabia who led a very difficult life. They were superstitious and worship idols such as a black stone at the shrine called the Kaaba in the town of Makkah. So in the 7th century AD, the Arab tribes were united under a new religion called Islam. Advent of Islam. Prophet Muhammad was the founder of Islam. He was born in Makkah in AD 570. He was an orphan but looked after by his uncle. He was impressed about the Christian and Jewish religions by their belief in one God. Now, how did Prophet Muhammad receive divine messages? Muhammad received divine messages through the angel Gabriel. He believed that these messages were God's words, so he compiled them in the holy book of Muslims called the Quran. He preached monotheism, means the belief in one God. He was against the worship of idols, but he accepted Kaaba as a holy shrine. Now, what do you mean by Hijrah? As Prophet Muhammad was forced to leave Makkah since he opposed the religious beliefs and practices. He left Makkah and took shelter in a town called Yathrib, now known as Medina, the city of Prophet. Muhammad's escape to Medina in AD 622 is called Hijrah. His teachings became popular in Medina. He went back to Makkah and was accepted as the prophet. Prophet means the one chosen by God to spread his message. Now, what did Prophet Muhammad teach, or what are the teachings of Prophet Muhammad? The followers of Muhammad accepted Islam, which means to surrender to the will of Allah, the one and only God. Islam stresses on the equality and brotherhood of man. It strictly prohibits the worship of idols, the eating of pork, and the charging of interest on loans. There is no clergy, so the religious scholars explain the laws of the Quran. Now, there are 5 duties a Muslim has to perform. The following are the 5 principles of Islam which every Muslim is required